wabarakatuh. I want to presentation about analysis of the K-means algorithm for clustering school participation rates in Central Java. Outline about introduction, purpose of the research, problems in this research, previous research methodology, result and discussions, conclusions and reference. Introduction. The school enrollment rates is an indicator of the success of developing educational services in the regions, either in provinces, provinces, or cities in Indonesia. The higher the school enrollment rates, the area is considered successful in providing access to education services. School enrollment rate is related to poverty reduction, which will be discussed in Central Java, which is third largest province in Indonesia. It is very important to classify the value of the school participation rates as information and barometer for district and city government in Central Java province in determining related policies in the education sector. Purpose of the research. The specific purpose is this research is to provide input and information for the Central Java provincial government in order to maximize effort and cost to improve areas that have low school enrollment rates and maintain stable school enrollment rates for areas with low school enrollment rates. School participation is already high. Problem in this research, how to determine the center in the early stages of the K-means algorithm, how to analyze and classify school enrollment rates in Central Java using the K-means algorithm. Previous research, Supriyada Beato 2018, a study was conducted to category disaster-prone location in Indonesia based on provinces. The results of the study are in the form of grouping data on disaster-prone areas which are divided into 3 clusters. Specifically, the high cluster comprises 4 provinces, the standard cluster has 14 provinces, and the low cluster comprises 16 provinces. Ahmar AS et al. 2018, the following research was undertaken to categorize population density, human development index, open unemployment rates, and school enrollment rate by Indonesia provinces. The study findings indicate that Cluster 1 contains 12 provinces, Cluster 2 contains 6 provinces, Cluster 3 contains 1 province, Cluster 4 contains 6 provinces, and Cluster 5 contains 9 provinces. Rahayu et al. 2020 clustering the distribution of rabies case in the city of Palembang using K-means data mining. Data processing in this study using RapidMiner software with the result of the 16 sub-districts and in Palembang, 7 sub-districts included in the rabies-prone area cluster C0, with 4 sub-districts are included in the rabies-prone cluster, regional cluster C1, and 5 sub-districts are included in the regional cluster not susceptible to rabies C2. Methodology. The steps taken to solve the problem in this research are raised in the following framework. Start from and then collection data and literature review, and then identification of problem, processing, cluster determining, testing, the result of data processing, clustering result, final evaluation, and data collection in the form of school participation rates data in Central Java province from 2017 to 2019, consisting of 29 regions and 6 cities obtained from the Central Java Statistics Agency. Later on, the study is carried out to combine the basic knowledge and theory used in research, certified article, book, proceeding, etc. Problem identification is carried out after all the data is met, and then the appropriate data set is obtained from the specific process to be carried out. Preprocessing in a stack is carried out by making changes to several data types in the dataset attributed with the aim of facilitating understanding of the content of the records, also making selection by paying attention to data consistency, missing value, and redundant data. Cluster determination is a step to determine the number of clusters that are determined by using K-means data mining. Testing the result of the data processing is a test space of the result of data processing using RapidMiner software after the cluster determination process is complete. Clustering results are grouping results obtained based on the number of clusters that have been determined. Final evaluation is carried out to find out whether testing the result of data processing is appropriate. Result and discussion. Cluster analysis of the CPR from 7 into 12 years old. The following are results of experiment conducted with the K-means algorithm and school participation rate as we are 7 into 12 with the number of cluster key to determining the initial center of the cluster, take the 13 data and the 15 data, then the initial cluster. This is a table literature results 2. Cluster analysis of the CPR for 7 into 12 years old. According to the studying finding, 24 provinces were classified as belonging to the high cluster, cluster 0, whereas 11 provinces were classified as belonging to the low cluster, cluster 1. The high cluster are Cilacap District, Banyumas District, Banjarnegara District, Purworejo District, Boyolali District, Klaten District, Sukoharjo District, Sragen District, Grobogan District, Rembang District, Pati District, Kudus District, Jepara District, Demak District, Semarang District, Kendal District, Batang District, Pekalongan District, Pemalang District, Brebes District, Magelang City, Magelang City, Semarang City, Pekalongan City, Tegal City, while the low cluster are Purbalingga District, Kebumen District, Wonosobo District, Magelang District, Wonogiri District, Karanganyar District, Blora District, Temanggung District, Tegal District, Sukoharjo District, and Salatiga City. Cluster analysis of the CPR for 13 to 15-year-olds. The following are the results of experiment conducted with the K-means algorithm on the school enrollment rate CPR age 13 into 15 with the number of cluster K equal to. This is a table literature research. Cluster analysis of the CVR for 13 to 15 years old. According to the study finding, 23 provinces were classified as belonging to the high cluster, cluster 0, wherever as 12 provinces were classified as belong to the low cluster, cluster 1. The high cluster are Cilacap District, Banyumas District, Kebumen District, Purworejo District, Magelang District, Boyolali District, Klaten District, Sukoharjo District, Wonogiri District, Karanganyar District, Sragen District, Grobogan District, Blora District, Rembang District, Pati District, Kudus District, Jepara District, Semarang District, Temanggung District, Sukoharjo City, Solotigo City, Semarang City, Pekalongan City. When the low cluster are Purbalingga District, Banjarnegara District, Wonosobo District, Demak District, Kendal District, Batang District, Pekalongan District, Pemalang District, Tegal District, Brebes District, Magelang City, and Tegal City. Cluster analysis of the CPR for 16 to 18-year-olds. The following are the result. Experiment conducted with the K-mean algorithm on the school enrollment rates CPR 16 into 18 with the number of cluster K equal to literature resultnya. Cluster analysis of the CPR for 16 into 18 years old. The results indicate that 15 provinces were classified as belonging to high cluster, cluster 0, whereas 20 provinces were classified as belonging to the low cluster, cluster 1. The high cluster are Kebumen District, Purworejo District, Klaten District, Sukoharjo District, Wonogiri District, Kabupaten Karanganyar, Sragen District, Kudus District, Demak District, Semarang District, Magelang City, Sukoharjo City, Solotigo City, Semarang City, Tegal City, while the low cluster are Cilacap District, Banyumas District, Purbalingga District, Banjarnegara District, Wonosobo District, Magelang District, Boyolali District, Grobogan District, Blora District, Rembang District, Pati District, Jepara District, Temanggung District, Kendal District, Batang District, Pekalongan District, Pemalang District, Tegal District, Brebes District, and Pekalongan City. Conclusion: the result of the mapping on the form of cluster and the use of K-means algorithm on the school participation rate in Central Java can be implemented. Overall mapping results show a good percentage for all age group, namely about 5% in the high cluster, whereas the tile in the 16 in the 18-year age group, there are 24 provinces, 57%, which are in the low cluster. Information from the result of the study can provide a macro picture of the level of development on the school enrollment rate CPR over the last few years. Reference: we have about 16 reference. Number 1 to number 16. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.